NDWANG'I ANTU KIUMBE ciendere thirikari mwenye ya Stima ni menere tubonene no ntubo witia kwa ngarama ya Stima Kenya. Bakinya mbere ya kamiti ya mainya na mauta ya mbunge nene ni bonekete wikere bonene na kureana na mantu ya na ngarama ya Stima yitete na inya Kenya bakioneka kuinyeleka bonene. Boniface Mongera aina antetwai.
Kiri kaunjoju ni kagoshwira ntaira ngarama ya Stima irethiritwe gitura gukeja nthurune Kenya kamiti ya mainya bunge nene eko mwatu ogeni mwandiki muno ngwati no litingoge kotu bwana Francis Atuli na ugire kire kithiro ikinyithia nthiguru pe yatokene ja nthiguru ne ya biashara ba KIUMBE barabandikanire kandathi na Kenya Power kwithiro betunywa.
And most of the IPPs have tough and long-term contractual obligations that make it hard for any changes to be made. And I think this is where the Parliament comes in handy to make sure that they put a law in place to stop this nonsense.
Bwana Atuli aliendelea akawatu kutunywa kandathi akibatere kwithiro betunywa kinyama rito jao ijabatere kwithiro jakiane kwa AKENYA bakamiba bongwa botu babanyamara maoni ja Atuli yashokete chongero rito ingwatani walimu ba secondary kupe tukukurukira mwandiki munene bwana Kero Misori.
I know those people who make money, some are senior people in the government, and it is our duty and duty of parliamentarians to come out and carry out research and mention them on the floor of the House. That is what parliamentarians are there for.
The conditions are so punitive. And in that regard, therefore, I think Kenyans are left at the mercy of these people.
The burden of high energy cost can also contribute to income inequality and to perpetuate socioeconomic disparities among workers.
We also need to introduce market liberalization and competition so that we actually challenge the domain of monopoly.
Kuma kiambereria kia mwaka juju kamiti ya menye bunge nene itongeretwe ni engineer Kawaya ibethiritwe baithitika robi bingi biguita maoni kumakira nto biombe nya kamboni maoni jangwane najo baba ingi bakiwa Kenya Power ne batere kwithiro nenkirwa kathari ka usambaza stima yonka bangi nabo bakiwa thirikari ne batere kwithiro kiambire kuithia stima kumakira gas.
Kenya Power must have its own people that are trained, employed permanently without outsourcing, and making sure that the engineering instructions of provision of electricity is adhered to, not as it is today.
Corruption in Kenya Power, we must address that. If you see any new homestead which is coming up, you will see people from Kenya Power, many of them are competing to go and approach that, anyone who is constructing a house, because they want to assist them to be connected, either legally or illegal, because most of the meters we're using were supplied with a meter which is for prepayment. But when you are paying and you inquire about that meter, you realize it's not even in your name.
Is this issue of what you call illegal connections and regularizing of the same vis-a-vis pulling them down? It is a discussion that must be done in this country.
Nke reporter Ntoshero TV kumaji karone bya bunge Kenya nangine kineke mshuru Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.